Look, I found my old hat this morning.
Meow! Farmer Friendly's old hat. He bought it last year and he wore it on holiday.
Ma! He chose it because green's his favourite colour.
Meow! The family drove to the beach. We were there for a week. Meow!
What an adventure!
Adventure? We came to the farm last year. That was the longest trip of our lives.
Yes, we rode in Farmer Friendly's lorry. I sat in the back and slept.
I didn't sleep. It was fantastic. I stood and watched the beautiful countryside.
Shall I tell you about my adventure? I lost my cousin in the forest.
You didn't lose her. She hid behind a tree.
Meow! Farmer Friendly brought you home. I saw you.
Gracie, you told us a different story.
Ours was a very long trip. Farmer Friendly stopped and fed us nice vegetables when we were hungry.
Oh, Farmer Friendly's a good man. He gave me his favourite green hat.
He didn't give you the hat. You took it from the garden.